us your stuff.
Alright, you need to zoom in on the speed.
I'm already recording, you ass.
Wait, down. Alright.
Oh, come on.
Wait, okay. Do not touch. Look at this. Alright, you know what separates me from the normal models? Speed. I'm trying to hide the camera.
Look at those legs go. What are we up to? 22. Let's see how much.
Have you seen one after meeting? The trailer. Brad Pitt is like doing this.
You're nearly falling off. Come on, Adam. And it's done.